Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me just practically existing. So you must be thinking, ये कौन सा background है? So I've shifted to a new house, like my own room. यही but currently we just shifted, तो वो नहीं हुआ है, like we have not settled in. So वो room जो whatever वो बाद में. So we have Bollywood Day in my college. So मैंने सोचा है I'll be Geet from जब we meet. Like obviously I know half of the college वहीं बन के आया होगा, but still I want to be, so I will be. Let's get ready with me. I have the outfit. I had a white top. I had a belt, whatever, corset type, and oops. And skirt मैंने अपने दोस्त से बोरो कर लिया है. And hoops है, but वो वैसे वाले hoops नहीं है, वो little stone hoops. I can buy, but do I want to buy? We'll see that later. Currently, let's do makeup, and my main problem is the hair. मेरे को नहीं बनाना आता बाल, तो ऐसा French plait करके सामने से कुछ. So we'll see that later. First, let's do makeup. मेरे को फ़ोन सेटअप करना नहीं आ रहा. I mean मेरे को कहीं ऐसा रखना कि ज़्यादा रिवील ना हो, but ये हो रहा है. Like I have my mirror here. So ये तो होना ही है.
I'm doomed.
So I'm currently thinking maybe I will post this after the room tour, or maybe first होने दो. I don't know. But let's get started with the makeup. I'm getting very late. So yeah. कुछ सिंपल सा ही रखेंगे, like गिट मिनिमलिस्टिक ही थी. So yeah, college, and again I'm just getting ready for 1 hour, then I'll just go college, click some pictures, and then I will change because I have my performance later today evening. मेरे को कुछ नहीं मिला, प्राइमर नहीं मिला, फाउंडेशन नहीं मिल रहा. You know why I chose to, I mean, of course Geet is a, the character, like Bollywood. So Bollywood जब सोचते करीना कपूर की, वो यही सब याद आता है. And Geet I wanted to be like, जब I'm in 3rd year, जब मैं 1st year में भी नहीं थी, like मेरा कॉलेज स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ था, after the entrance exams and that बीच वाला फेज, तब यूज्ड टू सी, लाइक आ जाते ना अपने रील्स एंड ऑल में, तो वो आ रहा था. तब मेरे को पता चला, ओ देयर इज अ थिंग कॉल्ड बॉलीवुड डे इन कॉलेजेस, ठीक है. तो तब मैंने सोचा था ओके आई विल बी गीत. बट देन आई केम टू माई कॉलेज, एंड मेरे कॉलेज में व्हेन आई वाज इन 1st ईयर कुछ नहीं होता था, फेस्ट नहीं होता था, बॉलीवुड डे नहीं होता था. सो अब धीरे धीरे हो रहा है. तो दिस इज माई फर्स्ट टाइम लाइक इन 3rd ईयर कि बॉलीवुड डे कॉलेज में हो रहा है. सो ऑफ कोर्स आई डोंट वांट टू मिस द अपॉर्चुनिटी. दो माई फ्रेंड्स, लाइक 3 दिन से चल रहा है, दैट टुडे इज द लास्ट डे, एंड वी आर रियली टायर्ड, लाइक आई एम एक्सॉस्टेड. बट स्टिल माई फ्रेंड्स हैव डिसाइडेड, they were excited, but today now they have ditched me. They're like, we are tired, which is understandable. I'm tired too, but my excitement is more. So yeah, so I'll be Geet. I had a red dress, and when the Bollywood Day was announced, the first thing that came into mind was I will be Geet, because I had everything. I have a white top, I have a black corset, I have a red skirt, but I couldn't find my red skirt. So I called my friend, like ranting, okay, I can't find my, because we just shifted, right? So a lot of things are here and there, so I can't find it. It must be somewhere, I don't know where though. I wore it last Navratri. You must have seen it in the vlogs. Though the skirt is way too better, but still, okay, I had a red skirt. So I called my friend and I was like, I can't find my red skirt. What do I do? I was literally thinking of buying and everything because I wanted to be Geet, like at any cost. So, but then she was like, I have a red skirt. I was like, you do? Oh my god. And she was like, this is that. And yeah, assigned it to me, and it is perfect, like way much better than the one I had. गीत की आंखें थी कैसी? I need to see the reference image once again.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I saw इसमें कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ black काजल and थोड़ा लाइनर ऊपर नीचे में. So okay. हम बेस के लिए थोड़ा सा ब्राउन शेड है, थोड़ा सा मुझे ना ज्ञान है नहीं मेकअप का, बट जितना मुझे आता है मेरा काम हो जाता है. लिप शेड क्या था? Oh my god, it's a very pinkish brownish orangish shade, and I think I have something similar. But I have to search. कहाँ है वो? Maybe I carried it yesterday. I think we're done with the makeup. Let's do the hair, which is the most difficult part. I don't know if I will be able to achieve it. मेरी मॉम मेरी बात बना सकती थी, but this is not the right time. Like she's busy. मैं बोलूँगी तो she will she will be. So I don't want to disturb her right now. I'll try drawing it on my own. If we'll be able to achieve it, well and good. If not, then it's okay. I like it too. I mean, no, ये वो नहीं था, लेकिन this is what I can do. It's fine, I guess. चलता है. I mean, 1 घंटे की बात है, मैं इतनी मेहनत क्यों करूँ? Okay, let me get changed and I'll meet you then.
A few minutes later.
I am ready. Wait.
सो बॉलीवुड डे के लिए मैं फुल गीत बन के रेडी हो चुकी थी, फुल तामझाम, फुल एफर्ट, फुल कैरेक्टर में. एंड देन इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग. लाइक नॉर्मल बारिश नहीं, प्रॉपर सिनेमैटिक बारिश. इट वॉज पोरिंग लाइक क्रेजी एंड एवरीवन स्टार्टेड क्वेश्चनिंग कि इवेंट होगा भी या नहीं. देन अपडेट आया, नो इवेंट इज़ हैपनिंग, एवरीवन कैन कम टू कॉलेज. ओके ग्रेट. थोड़ी देर बाद बारिश कम हुई. आई थॉट ओके फाइनली आई कैन गो. बट बाय देन इवेंट का टाइम हो चुका था. सो आई गेव अप ऑन माई गीत एरा, चेंज्ड इनटू माई परफॉर्मेंस आउटफिट and went to college. Basically, I got ready to be Geet and the weather decided to give me a complete different character arc. All that taam jam just for the rain to say, picture abhi baki hai, you're not going.